Are you worried about the privacy of all online platforms, starting with your social media? It is normal to be worried. But hopefully, after watching this video, you will no longer worry about this issue. Online privacy is a crucial concern in today's digital age, and following best practices can help individuals protect their personal information and data. Here are some key best practices for online privacy. Use strong, unique passwords. Create complex passwords for your online accounts and avoid using the same password for multiple sites. Consider using a reputable password manager to help you generate and store secure passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Whenever possible, enable 2FA on your online accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide a secondary verification method, such as a code sent to your mobile device, in addition to your password. Regularly update software and apps. Keep your operating system, software, and apps up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Cybercriminals often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software. Be cautious with personal information. Avoid oversharing personal information on social media and websites. Be mindful of the information you share, as cybercriminals can use it for identity theft or phishing attacks. Use secure connections. Ensure that websites you visit use HTTPS encryption, especially when entering sensitive data like credit card information. Look for the padlock symbol in the address bar. Regularly review privacy settings. Review the privacy settings of your online accounts, social media profiles, and apps. Adjust these settings to limit the amount of personal information that is publicly accessible. Beware of phishing. Be cautious of unsolicited emails, messages, or calls requesting personal or financial information. Verify the sender's authenticity before sharing any sensitive information. Use a virtual private network. Consider using a VPN to encrypt your internet connection and protect your online activities from prying eyes, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Regularly monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your bank statements, credit reports, and online accounts for any unauthorized activity. Report any suspicious activity immediately. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest online threats and privacy best practices. Being aware of potential risks is the first step in protecting your online privacy. By following these best practices for online privacy, you can enhance your digital security and reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber attacks or privacy breaches. Remember that online privacy is an ongoing effort, and staying vigilant is key to safeguarding your personal information in the digital world.